Hello and welcome to this Checkmate into chess puzzle. You can see that black has the king, 4 pawns, 2 bishops, rook and the queen. White only has the king, queen, rook, knight and single pawn. But it's white's go and you can get a checkmate in 2. If you move the queen to g4, if black does something like move the rook, you can then move the knight to e6 to checkmate in 2. But black can stop this checkmate if they do something like move the bishop to f4, because then there's no follow-ups to give a checkmate in 2 that way. Trading off the queens doesn't result in a checkmate in 2 because the pawn can take, and then if you check with the knight, the king has an escape square. Taking the rook with the knight doesn't lead to a checkmate in 2 because the bishop can move out, and then you can try and check with the queen, but the king has an escape square. If you try to check the king by moving the knight to e4, then the king can just move, which does a reveal check on the white king, and then there's no follow-ups to give a checkmate in 2 this way. Okay, let's take a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need more time. The way to get the checkmate in 2 here is to move the queen to e4. Black pushes the e-pawn, you can then move the queen to b4 to checkmate in 2. If black moves the bishop that's on d4, the queen can still move into b4 to checkmate in 2. If black takes the queen with the bishop, you can then move the knight to e6 to checkmate the king in 2. The queen is pinned and the black king can't move anywhere either. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it will really help out the channel.